Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Thredup unboxing. First off, I don't know why I'm giving Thredup like a third and a fourth and a fifth and sixth chance. I ordered this box on April 7th. It just came today. Today is May 4th. Yeah. I also sent them 2 boxes on March 28th, and I checked today and it said that they may be ready by May 22nd. So almost 2 months. Like, are you fucking serious? Like, I know, you know, it's crazy right now, but I don't know. It's just annoying, you know? Anyway, I got a rescue box. It's the mixed sizes one. It's the women's box. It just came in the mail. I'm gonna put on gloves because usually when I buy stuff from the thrift store, it like immediately goes into my wash, but I, of course, just started a wash. And I really want to make this video because the girls are like playing by themselves, so I have time. So I'm gonna wear gloves. I think it's absolutely disgusting when people like open up these boxes and they're like, ugh, touching them, and then they're like throwing them on their couch. I'm like, I am a huge germaphobe. Before this whole thing started, I was the biggest germaphobe. Like, I would, you know, wash my hands all the time. But now it's to another level. It really is. Okay, so I've got the box right here. We're gonna go through it and we're gonna see if this box was worth waiting a month for. I think I have a link with Thredup. I think you get a $10 credit if you use my link. I think. All right, here we go. Okay, here's the box. Here's my little paper. It says, yep, April 7th, right on the box. I paid $60 for this box. See, that's how long ago it was. I didn't remember. I see something with fur. I hope it's not an animal. It's furry. It looks like a cat is in here. What the hell? Did they send me a dead cat? What is going on? Okay. Oh man, that's like really furry. Okay, so they've got like tissue paper. Okay. Sorry, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I have the box like lopsided. Okay. What is that? Okay, let's pull out the furry thing first. Oh my god. Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, look at this. Okay, it's from Material Girl. It's a size small. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, it's a furry frickin' cat looking raccoon fur type vest. Yeah, you know, this isn't gonna go in my closet, so where can I put you? I'm gonna stuff you in the bottom of the box. I'm not even gonna show that to you guys because that just, I don't know, that kind of grosses me out. Okay, what is this? What is this? This box is gonna be shit. I know it is, you guys. I just know it is. Okay. This is a yellow, okay. All right, I guess. A yellow lightweight cardigan from J. Crew. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's like furry things everywhere. So this is okay. Just a lightweight yellow sweater from J. Crew. What is this? This is a tablecloth. They sent me a tablecloth. Just kidding. It's from Topshop, size 4. It's a little skirt. It looks like a tablecloth or like a doily. You know, like doilies? It's kind of cute, I guess. Ugh, shit falling on me. Okay. All right, come on. There's got to be something good in here. What are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? Banana Republic size 4. We got a little black dress. Black dress. That's kind of cute. Can you see? Does that have deodorant marks on it? That's fucking disgusting. Has deodorant marks on it. That is nasty. Oh my god. I'm so fucking glad I'm wearing gloves. That's disgusting. Oh my gosh. That is fucking gross. Thredup, you gross. What is this? This looks kind of cute. Croft and Barrow, size 1X. It's just a purple shirt. Looks like that. Wow. Threads are coming out. What the fuck? Something was cut off right here. You guys see that? Something was cut off here. Like a belt or something? Cool. Cool. I'm so glad I spent $60 Stacking dollars on this. Okay, I need to like, I have like no room here, so hold on, give me a second. Next thing is LuLaRoe. More like LuLaNo. This is a size medium skirt. All their prints are like, in my opinion, super just like ugly. What are you? This is Tahari. Extra large. Made in China. I think it oh, it's new with tags. Retails for $69. Feels like silk, but I got gloves on, so I can't really tell. But this is what it looks like. I'm trying to make it not touch me. This is what it looks like. This is a no-name brand, probably from China. It just has a large tag in the back here. Yeah, this is probably from one of those cheap ass websites. It's like a black tunic dress on the back. Looks like that. It goes down and it's kind of like open in the back. It's kind of cute, actually. Like, this would be cute to wear like when you're super pregnant. I'm totally washed out. There we go. We got some Old Navy mid-rise jeans. These look tiny. Yep, size 0. Old Navy jeans. Meh. What is this? Old Navy, size large. Looks like this. It's got like the bell sleeves. Okay, this is tags ripped out. That's kind of cute. It's like an Aztec-y print dress. That's kind of cute. I might put that in my closet. I'm gonna have to do measurements because there's no tags or anything. What are you? What are you? What are you? Flower and Feather. Never heard of this brand before. Don't know what size it is. Looks kind of big. Shirt like that. It's got like the cold shoulder. Like that. Oh, we got a corduroy jacket from Talbot's. Corduroy jacket. I feel like I need to start selling on eBay. I feel like I could sell this stuff on eBay. Just Poshmark is, ugh. Yeah, corduroy jacket, size 8. It's like pink on the inside. Dolan, size extra small. Just a black dress. Like that. Dolan, that's a good brand, right? Is it? Maybe. It's got a dry cleaning tag. St. John, 100% silk, golden shirt. Yeah, I feel like I need to open an eBay account and I could sell this stuff on there. Will this sell on Poshmark? St. John? I know St. John's a good brand. Did I tell you what size it is? No, because the size tag is ripped out. Style & Co. size medium. Just a black, like, ruffled skirt. Old Navy active shirt, size medium. It's kind of like all see-through in the back there. St. John Sport, size large. Just a white button-up shirt. It's got like rivets. What are these called? I feel like there's fur flying everywhere from that friggin' animal vest thing. What are these called? You know, like what are those called? What are those called? I don't know. I don't know. Well, something smells like old lady perfume. Oh boy, I bet it's this dress. 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 What the fuck is this? This is a dress. It's this dress. It's this dress. Miss California, size medium. Oh my god, it smells. It's really pretty and sparkly though. It's like a long dress. This is actually kind of cute. I need to wash this to get the smell out. I hope it's not dry clean only. Obviously, if it's dry clean only, I will not wash it. But it smells like, but I can't picture an old lady wearing this because it's like, I don't know if you can see, look how sparkly it looks on camera. But it has like like opaque fabric right here that ends, and then, oh, there's a big slit right there. Yeah, no old ladies wearing this dress. But then it goes down all the way down to the bottom, and it's like, it's see-through. So this is actually, this is cute. This is actually a cute little dress. Did I tell you? Size medium. So yeah, I gotta wash this if it's washable because it smells like perfume and it's very strong. Forever 21. Oh, this is kind of cute. Just a size medium skirt. That's cute. This Old Navy. No, this is Under Armour. Size small. Just a little tank top. Old Navy Rockstar pants. Size 4. I like this bright ass pink color. 32 degrees heat. It's like a sweatshirt, but I don't know. It's weird looking. Can you see it? It's got like white fuzzies all over it. What the hell, Thredup? What the hell? All right, and the last thing, we have some Zara women pants. Size medium. They're just like black. Is this black? Is that black? Yeah, like black trousers. Black dress pants that look like this. Okay, so my thoughts on that box. Not digging the animal vest for sure. The dress with deodorant marks on it, that's repulsive. I don't know, it's not stuff that I would sell normally in my closet, so that's why I'm just kind of like, some of those pieces were like shit, like the Old Navy stuff. It's like, I don't, yeah. Okay, so I'm back. It's later in the day. I washed everything, well, everything that could be washed. And I just want to show you guys what I'm actually keeping from the box, what I'm listing. So there were 25 things in there. I forgot to show you guys one shirt. I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, I'm keeping 10 of the 25 things. First thing I'm selling is this dress. Again, it's a no-name dress. But I don't know. I thought it was cute and summery. So this will probably, I'll probably put it for like 15 bucks in my closet. This is the shirt I forgot to show you guys. It is White House Black Market. I have never sold this brand before. I don't think it does well, but you know, it's kind of cute. We'll see how it goes. It's like a wrap in the front and it kind of like flares out on the bottom. I don't know. It's a good like summer work shirt, you know, to wear with like a light sweater over it or something. So yeah, we'll see how this guy does. It's an extra small too, so that's kind of a tough size, but we'll see. I am keeping the J. Crew cardigan. I don't know. J. Crew does okay for me. Try to sell this Talbot's corduroy jacket. Have I sold any Talbots? I don't think so. Try to sell this St. John Sport white button-up. These aren't called rivets. I call them rivets. I don't know what they're called. They're just like little metal things, okay? I don't know. Yeah, we'll see how that does. I've never sold St. John before or St. John Sport, so we'll see. Then I'm gonna try to sell this St. John yellow silk shirt that needs to be steamed very badly. I'm gonna sell this Forever 21 skirt because this is cute. And these, I thought this was a skirt, but they're shorts and they're even cuter because they're short. Tablecloth, like doily material, but they're shorts. I don't know if you can see. They're shorts. It's not a skirt. They're short. Okay, this Dolan dress, silk dress. It's like a balloon dress. Like, this needs to be steamed as well. But yeah, it's just, it's like balloon at the bottom. Lighting. I don't know. I thought this was cute. I washed the Banana Republic dress that had the armpit, the frickin' deodorant stains in the armpit. Disgusting. Thredup. What the fuck? That's gross. Size 4. This is just, it's a cute little black dress, or like long black dress. It's pretty long. So yeah, we'll see how this guy does. But yeah, I just want to jump back on here and just show you guys the things that I'm keeping. Everything else, oh, the Tahari shirt that was new with tags, the white silk shirt, had a bunch of stains on it and it had like some tears, so that's no good. What else? I'm trying to see what else I had over there. I don't even remember the other things, like the Old Navy stuff, like yeah. That animal vest, yeah, and just everything else was just kind of like meh. So I'm keeping less than half the box, and we'll see what happens. Again, if you want to check out Thredup, I do have a link, and I think you get a $10 credit. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.